So as expected, oh, that's different. Welcome back, everybody, to Tyler's World Coins. It's been a while. I had a summer, had a busy one. The weather's back to being crummy here in the Pacific Northwest, so I'm back on the videos. And it's a great day. It's Morgan Day. Morgan Silver Dollar Day. Pop quiz. Which one of these is an actual Morgan? Just kidding. Well, it should be pretty obvious. Maybe it's not. But we'll get into that later. All right, folks. I'm opening these up direct from the mint. For some reason, they thought it was a good idea to send these in separate boxes. There's government efficiency for you. Here's the other one. One of these is a Morgan. One of these is a peace dollar. I can't wait to sink my teeth in. Peace dollars first. Let's look at this beautiful peace dollar. All right, so this is a new case. I haven't seen one like this before. Pretty simple design. Nice little black on black there. U.S. Treasury. So a certificate of authenticity for the peace dollar. All right. So as expected, oh, that's different. I didn't know these are 999 silver. I thought these might be 90%. So this has a bit more silver in it than the originals. The originals were 90%. So this is actually 0.85 troy ounces, and I believe you're looking at like 0.73 or 76 on the original silver dollars, like this 21 Morgan here. So that's a happy surprise. Some info there on the back. And let's look at the coin. That looks awesome. It looks classic, yet perfectly new and use. Gosh, it looks like a one from the 20s or 30s that just somehow, wasn't touched by time. And I think that is awesome. So we get to see all the detail of the hair is, the year it was minted. Wow, I'm really happy with these re-releases. And then that beautiful eagle with the sun rays behind it. Oh, wow. I am loving this. This is a good one. Bit of a premium, right? This was, I think, $85 or $90. Worth it. Right now, you're going to be paying at least, well over $100 to get these off the secondary market. So beautiful there. Probably move to the airtight coin holder soon. These ones from the mint are not airtight by any means. So that's the peace dollar. And now the Morgan. Same style case. 1921. Pretty minimalistic there. And just like the peace dollar, yep, we're 3/9 silver. And yep. So here we are in all of its glory. The 2021 Morgan silver dollar. It's a beautiful thing, it really is. I wouldn't mind having a proof one, but I definitely like this brilliant uncirculated. And I like it because it harkens back to what the originals probably looked like when they came out of the mint. And it looks like, yeah, it just looks like the original, but fresh. And it's like they just picked up the dies and started stamping again. Here, let's go side by side with my Morgan. So 100 years of Morgan silver dollars. Beautiful, beautiful. And the front, you can see everything that's missing from my Morgan silver dollar on the left. How the hair's been, you know, some of the strands have been worn down, some of the face geometry is gone. Oh, so glad they re-released. Wouldn't that be something if they re-released some of the other, you know, classic quarters, half dollars from turn of the century? That would be something. I would buy them. I would give them my money. All right. And you know what? Because we can, let's just hold it up against a, I don't know if you want to call it a repo or it's a private mint version of the Morgan. And you can see how they just don't compare, you know. Sunshine Mint did a pretty good job, but they're not the US Mint by any means. It's a much cheaper, it's a flatter version. And, oh, it flips the wrong way too. This flips on the side. Not like true American mint coins, which flip like this. All right, well, hopefully you've got your Morgan already, or if you haven't, you know, I highly recommend trying to grab one. This was the first silver dollar I've ever had, and my mother gave it to me, and so it was real special for me to get the 2021 version. So I'm not much of a US Mint website camper, but I sure camped on that site, and man, I clicked that over and over and over, and finally got my order in back in August. So let me know what you think about these in the comments. Thank you for watching. We'll be coming out with videos at a more regular pace now that the weather's changed. And so all of you content providers too, I look forward to seeing your channels and what you got. Take care, and I'll see you next time.